Yes, namaste. Good evening, friends. This is Dr. Jyoti Joshi, live from Joshi Panchakarma Clinic, Panvel. So, आयुर्वेद is slow और आयुर्वेद is fast. आयुर्वेद कौन से डिसीजेस में काम करता है, आयुर्वेद कहाँ पे काम करता है, कैसे काम करता है. कॉमन लोगों में बहुत सारी ये चीजों को लेके अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है. ये लाइव वीडियोस के जरिए मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि वो जो साइंटिफिक आयुर्वेद है वो आप सबके सामने रख सकूं. सो वी हैव वन पेशेंट विथ अस. सो शी इज एसोसिएटेड विथ our clinic since last almost
4 years.
4 years. Yes. Yeah. Tell me.
Yes. So, how can you judge Ayurveda by time? Ayurveda is effective, and it works not only with a passion of faith, but it works efficiently. And as I see in the last 20 minutes of being over here, I find clarity. I find fog disappearing. I found confidence not only in my thoughts, but even in my body. I'm feeling lighter. It's just amazing. The experience is wonderful. Thank you, doctor.
So, are you, like, before coming here, are you aware about this sort of treatment?
No, I didn't know that Ayurveda had all these kind of treatments that you have offered today to me, and you have been offering over the last 2-3 years. It was a big surprise for me. I did not know. I thought you'll be giving me some jadi booties, but this is so modern. Mm-hmm. It is absolutely modern and very much updated. In fact, it matches with the top international most effective medicines, I would suggest. I have tried so many methods, but this is quick and effective. I didn't expect it to be, I feel so good so soon.
Basically, this is Marma Chikitsa, which is mentioned in Ayurveda. So today we did a Marma Chikitsa on you.
Marma Chikitsa.
Yes, so there are many local treatments like Agni Karma. Like in your hand, I did with the Agni Karma. So there are many, like leech treatment. You're aware about the leech treatment from my videos and all. Yes. So this is the Marma Chikitsa, what today we did.
So it is very effective. I enjoyed Marma Chikitsa. It is brilliant. It is so effective. I didn't know that something could be so effective so soon and quick.
Yes, I can observe this on your face. So after 1 month, we'll definitely see you with many changes. I'm expecting many changes in you. So let's see after 1 month. But definitely Ayurveda is not slow. या फिर काफी लोगों को जो मिथ है कि आयुर्वेदा में बहुत काम लेना पड़ेगा, बहुत परहेज करना पड़ेगा, फिर बहुत सारे पंचकर्म करने पड़ेंगे एंड ऑल, उसके बाद हमें ठीक लगेगा, इट विल टेक अ टाइम. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आयुर्वेदा इज वेरी क्विक. रादर एक इंजेक्शन से भी जल्दी हम आयुर्वेदा से रिजल्ट दे सकते हैं. जरूरत है तो जो बुक्स में संहिता में आयुर्वेद है वो पढ़ने की. सो थैंक यू सो मच कामाक्षी जी. थैंक यू. नमस्ते.